Delhi. Nothing stands in comparison. Every morning here brings in a deluge of hope, and every day makes sure that those dreams turn true. The city of warmth and friendliness, where all roads lead to love. Where age-old heritage and evolving cultures blend seamlessly. Where every welcome is straight from the heart, and every stay is a lifetime experience. Delhi. Nothing else brings you India as it is in its myriad colors. Bringing you the best of the best that a 5,000-year-old civilization has on offer. The great melting pot of the plethora of cultures that identify India, that define the meaning of Indian hospitality. Emotional, addictive, all-embracing, a city that makes you belong. An exotic space that also makes you feel at home. Where every face is radiant with trust, and every space scintillates your senses with something for everyone. A city that serves your senses like nothing else can. Street food with tastes to die for. Platters that cut across cultures. Specialty restaurants that serve the choicest of Indian cuisine. Or best in the class, star-rated award-winning eateries that helps you feast your senses with the finest of international food and the best of ambience to go with it. Monuments that keep you gazing in wonder, where every stone is cast in timelessness, where every contour speaks out the parables of a glorious past, where time stands still, for you, with you. In Delhi, you are never alone. Be it the sound of chirping birds that cajole you out of sleep, or just that smile that's worth 1,000 suns, the smile of contentment. Where being green is not just a newfound fad, it's a habit ingrained deep within. Delhi loves to stay fit, a city that prefers to be in shape. Where every avenue leads to a future of aspirations. And every street corner opens up a surprise that enchants and reassures your faith. And every road defines a dream. Where you can shop to your heart's content and yet feel craving for more. Be it the dazzle of swanky malls, whatever you need, whenever, or the vast variety of Indian crafts, a riot of colors that dazzle, an explosion of senses that engulfs, a flash flood of rustic genius that leaves you awestruck. All of it and more in well-organized shopping spaces. Delhi, a city going places, a city that will take you places effortlessly. Be it on secure, speedy and state-of-the-art metro rails, or on the pollution-free CNG-based efficient transport system crisscrossing the city. Or be it in your own private space, your taxi, safe, secure and efficient. Always ready for a service with a smile. Delhi will keep you enchanted with its indomitable spirit of life and living through making you belong in festivals of hope. Passionate, emotive, endearing, where the exotic and modernity live together. You pick and choose and enjoy to your heart's desire. It's for you to pick and choose. And then it's night over Delhi, but the city is wide awake, ready to welcome your quest of living life to the full with its non-stop beats of craze. Delhi, waiting to steal your heart. Get ready to belong. Get ready to flow with the rhythms of Delhi. We are ready when you are.